Hey guys, it's me Darlene and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing something that is currently circulating around YouTube, and it's I try to do a beauty guru's makeup tutorial. I'm not the type of person who would watch a video and do my makeup at the same time because I'm not really that quick at picking up techniques. So this one is going to be really challenging. For this video, I decided to copy/follow Miss RAIZA Contawi's makeup tutorial, and if you don't know who Miss RAIZA Contawi is, she's like one of the best beauty gurus here on YouTube. She's like one of my biggest inspirations. And yeah, I love you, Miss RAIZA. Anyways, enough with that, let's just get started. The makeup tutorial that I'll be following is Miss RAIZA's holiday blush look. Okay, it's not the holidays anymore, but yeah. And she's also wearing red in this video, so I wore something, yeah. She's so pretty. Okay, so she pulled her hair back first. She used, okay, the Fit Me foundation, so I'm gonna use the same thing. I don't know if this is like my shade because I have like two foundation shades, the 128 and 220, and lately I've been using 128. I have a swimming class, so I'm not quite sure if my skin got darker or what, so let's just pray that this matches me.
And they have this really nice flick on the lashes.
Oh my gosh, is this my shade?
What you call it, like over and extra over the top hair.
Oh wait. Nasa concealer na siya, nasa foundation pa lang ako. Wait lang po, sandali lang. We're using the same brush, pero sa akin black, sa kanya white. But I don't know, I hope this works well. She's like really good at blending everything. She's... Okay, let's just do this, Darlene. I kind of want to use a different brush because I'm not used to using this one. It's been such a long time since I last used this one. Oh my gosh, parang maputi sa forehead ko. Oh gosh. It's too light for my forehead and I can't really see kung ano na itsura ng foundation kasi yung mirror ko andito. And then like, I have poor eyesight and I don't have glasses on, and I'm gonna put foundation in my nose area because I haven't put foundation here. When she does her makeup, like pag nagbe-blend siya ng foundation, sobrang gaan ng pag-blend niya. And pag ako kasi parang ang pangit talaga, sobrang ganun ako. But I'm still learning. I'm not like a pro yet, so there's always room for improvements. What did she do next? Okay. I think I'm okay with my foundation even though it looks like kind of light, but let's just work with that later. Okay, so she used the Age Rewind concealer, but I don't have that right now, so I'm gonna use something else. I'm just gonna use the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. I have it in the shade 25 medium and 20 sand. Not quite sure which one to use because like what I've said earlier, I'm not sure if my skin got darker. Shade number 25 na lang yung gagamitin ko. Else. Okay. This, right? Yep. Like that. Wait, so nose pa pala. So. Brush yung pinag-blend niya, so I'm gonna use the same brush. Let us blend. I can't see if it's like blended already kasi nga malabo yung mata ko. And medyo malayo yung mirror sa akin. I always do my makeup in awkward silence. I'm sorry. I'm just really like this. Like, I can't talk while I do my makeup. And sometimes I really wonder how Nikki Tutorials does it. There you go. I think that's blended enough. Is it?
And to set everything in place, I'm using this pressed powder.
Oh wait, I don't have this pressed powder. What do I use? Hala, I'm just gonna use a loose powder. I'm gonna use this. This one's from Nichido.
Under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin, and I'm doing the shade the same, not very bad because.
Okay, noted. I will be setting my under eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin area, but not my cheeks, according to Miss RAIZA CONTAWI. Here. My forehead. And then the chin area. Okay, so I won't be baking, so I'm gonna remove the powder agad. Okay. Kinda just pressing and then like doing that there, so my face doesn't look too matte, and that's what we're going for.
For the brows, I'm using the Fashion Brow Powder, and you want to keep your brows as youthful looking as possible. So a diffused feathered brows will do the trick.
Okay, diffused feathered brows. Let's do it. I have the same thing, but I don't know what happened to this one. It just looks gross. It's been such a long time since I last used this brow palette because I've been using this eyebrow powder from Benefit. But yeah, let's give this one a try again and let's hope for the best. I don't know, but my eyebrows look really different. I'm gonna blend it with a spoolie, with a different spoolie kasi dark na yung spoolie dito. I don't know if that looks nice already. I'm like so silent when I do my brows because this is a serious matter. I think I'm good with this brow. I'm gonna do my other brow off cam and I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm kinda not yet done with this brow. I don't know, I'm just really bad at doing my brows. Like, I'm not an expert or anything, so I'm not really sure if it's pantay already. But you know what they say, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Okay, whatever.
And to set everything in place as well, I'm using the mascara.
Okay, I have that. Okay, I have that. Okay, so I'm done with my brows. I've already put brow powder and brow mascara, so I'm going to proceed to the next step.
And now for the eyes, I'm using the Joe Matte. This is an intense paint for the lips, but I'm using it on the eyes. Great.
I don't have that, so I'm gonna use something else, but I'm still gonna use lipstick, just not the same thing that she used. This is the only pink lipstick that I have. It's from Avon and it's in the shade CL01 Pink Blush. Then she also put some on her lash line. Okay, I never really put anything on my lower lash line because I have like weird eye composition. Is that what you call it? But yeah, let's do it. How do I do this?
Brush. Don't use your finger because you might get like a patchy.
Okay, she used this shade from the eyebrow palette, so I'm gonna get like another blending brush. Okay, so I'm gonna use this shade. Naglagay siya sa outer corner ng eyelids niya, so I'm gonna do that too. Oh my gosh, why is mine different? There, does it look okay now? My camera died and it died again. But I'm done with both of my eyes. See?
And now for the eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
This is also one of the secrets. Focus on the edge of the lash.
I don't have the same eyeliner. I'm just gonna use this. Closest to the lash line. Pulling your eyes. Okay, closest to the lash line. I'm gonna do my very, very best. I'm really nervous because I'm bad at doing my eyeliner because I never really do eyeliner because I look different when I put eyeliner. I'm really nervous. I think I'm good with that. Does it look okay? Yep, it does already. You did a pretty good job. Wait, kinakabahan ako kasi baka hindi same. Pero I think I'm gonna wear falsies naman, so mali yung ginawa ko. Magkaiba talaga siya. I hate doing eyeliner. You know what? I'm gonna do this off cam because it's so hard and I'm freaking out right now. I am now done with my eyeliner. It's not like perfect, but I did my very best and it turned out actually okay. So I think I'm good with that. She said apply mascara on the top and bottom lashes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Next.
So cut your lashes.
Falsies. Okay, falsies. I have falsies. She said cut the lashes into half. So what am I gonna cut? Like, which part am I gonna cut? I'm gonna cut like the inner part, right? Because I'll only be needing the outer edge. So I'm never really the best at putting on falsies. Like, I can put falsies on other people, pero pag sa sarili ko na, no, forget about it. Hindi siya dumidikit, ba't ganun? Ganito ba yung pinapagawa niya? All good. Now, all I have to do is do the other eyelash. This is so hard. Why am I doing this? Wait, where's the glue? Glue! Oh, it's right here. I will repeat, I'm not good at putting on falsies and I'm not good at cutting falsies. So if this isn't like pantay, you know why. I think I'm done. I'm done with my falsies finally, and I'm glad na hindi na gaano halata yung hindi pagpantay ng eyeliner ko. So, yeah, let's keep on playing this video. Oh, nose contour. I don't have that.
Now for the blush, I'm using the same product.
Wait, I don't have that. Wait, I don't have that. LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautifully Bronze, so I guess that's what I'm gonna use na lang. I don't have the same product. What am I gonna use? I'm gonna use the lipstick again. That's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna put blush on my cheeks, then use a different brush for that. I'm gonna use this brush. That's not yet enough, so I'm gonna add more and more and more. I'm done with my blush, but yeah, I don't know if I want to add more kasi sa camera parang it's not as vibrant sa nakikita niyo sa video ni RAIZA Contawi, and kasi basta yung camera ko it's different, but in person ano, sakto na siya.
This matte lipstick, you will create this kind of gradient effect.
I don't have the same lipstick, but I'm gonna be doing the same gradient effect. This one is the Maybelline matte. I don't know this line, but the shade is Touch of Spice. I don't have like a darker lipstick, so this is the only red lipstick that I have. This is the LOL matte lipstick in the shade Bordeaux. I don't know how to read that, but yeah. And I'm done. I'm actually done. Or am I?
And then just retouch it here and there. After this, we're done.
I'm done! Oh my gosh! I'm done! So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and of course comment down below video suggestions because I'd love to hear from you. Also, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and of course to be a part of the hashtag SlayFam. I don't know, let me know what you think about this look. You know, I've never done a makeup with like dark lipstick and falsies and all, but yeah, please do let me know what you think about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Wait, last but not the least, make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts, which will be linked down below or somewhere around the screen so I can keep you guys updated and so we can be friends as well. Keep slaying! Bye!